Welcome to the SacredBox Provider Dashboard, your comprehensive control center for managing bookings and finances. In this guide, we'll show you how to add your bank details and check your earnings. Begin by navigating to the My Payouts page. Here, you'll find the account details section, which is essential for receiving your well-deserved payouts from SacredBox. Next, click the Add Account button to enter your banking information. It's imperative that these details are accurate, so please double-check them to ensure your payouts are processed promptly and securely. Your earnings are displayed in the Payout Information section above. After you've added your banking details, you'll notice the Request Payout button beneath the Available Payout section. Complete the payout request form, and the SacredBox team will process your request, ensuring that your earnings are transferred directly to your bank account. You can also track the status of your payout request on the same page. And that's it. You're now fully equipped to maximize your earnings with SacredBox.